Hello everyone, this is Caleb Beeson from KB Weather. We want to talk to you about this multi-day weather outbreak. So first of all, there is a low right here and a high right here. That is what is keeping us here in Lincoln mostly dry. Now you can see we have this marginal risk tomorrow. That does not have a 2% or higher tornado threat. Good news. There is no wind threat here for Lincoln, but hail, we are going to mainly see hail here. The main threat here in Lincoln is hail. Tomorrow is what the main concern for Lincoln is. At this time, you can see we have a slight cell in there. So that's slight cell. We cannot view it just yet because it's day 3. But you can see we do have a significant risk for the Lincoln area. See those, if you can see those dotted lines, why isn't this working? There. Right there we have a significant risk. That is mainly going to be for the hail. For the large hail. Now, what I've been looking at is of tornadoes. The tornado threat seems very low at this time. Well, not very low. We're going to put it at a low. But as forecasts change in the future, that could change. And I will keep you posted here whenever I'm free. So that significant risk right now is mainly for the hail. We're going to probably most likely see a 2% risk for tornadoes right here. Since the threat for tornadoes is low, not going to be that high. And then it'll mainly be, so we're going to make it a 2% is probably going to be here. And then I believe we can just put a 1% around here. So not that much of a tornado threat, but we will be keeping you posted because this may change overall. Here's back to the convective outlook. We have the marginal around here. That is going to be for some penny-sized hail around the marginal. We're going to see some golf ball-sized hail possible in the slight. Maybe some damaging winds. Those are the main threats. I cannot rule out a tornado being possible. The best locations to see a tornado anywhere would most likely be these areas around here down in Kansas, as those are where the main bulk of the storms may form. But the way my radar puts it as well is that we're going to see a small squall start forming around there and then kind of dissipate as it gets around Lincoln. And then there's going to be a whole line that starts forming around Kansas and moves easterly. Then, day 4, we are going to see a slight risk down in areas like Texas, Missouri, Louisiana. This could possibly get expanded around here to those portions of what I'm seeing. And this whole thing right here could actually be upgraded to an enhanced risk as well. As we gather more information, we'll learn on that. Day 5, we are going to be seeing another area, mainly in Louisiana, places like that. It's a slight risk right around here. We're going to be seeing a marginal risk around those areas. As we get more info, we are most likely going to see this expand this way, is what I believe. It could either expand that way, or it could sort of grow and end, or just flatten itself off right there. Any of those could happen. For day 6, we start to go to a marginal risk. So then for day 6, we are going to see a marginal risk in the Ohio Valley up here, and then maybe a little bit in those areas. But after that, we will not see any more severe weather threats at this time. For the storm outlook today, we are going to look at 12Z really quick. Says there is a hatch 10% risk in that area that may produce some storms here in Lincoln overnight. So we will be mainly watching over those areas. We do have a few alerts, I think. No, we don't. Okay then. Thank you all. This is KB Weather. I know I'm laying on my pillow. This is KB Weather signing off.